everything.
Okay, three more for coach. Is your name?
Coach, last congratulations in first place. Last week I asked this question by our sports team. Looking at the lineup, it seems like you made some changes, but you don't change your winning team. Your first team, you won against BFC, the same squad you won against Bichim. Today, yes, you won. But why those changes? You don't start and come and you made some few changes. Why that?
It was because of the dynamics of the day. I look at how the game plays, and that informed my decision to change the lineup and to let the lineup be according to a particular tactical approach. Normally, you look at the upcoming game, the dynamics involved in terms of defense and attack with respect to the opponent, and then you try to do a little bit of adjustment. So I reflected over the way the game plays, especially at home. And based on that, I took those decisions to vary the lineup and the tactics.
Yes, Michael, your second. Coach, I believe this is your first game against newly promoted side, the Daily Boosters. How do you see the Daily Boosters?
They are a very good side. I mean, they are a physically strong side. They don't really possess the ball. They just kick the ball and through. And they know the spaces to play the ball into. They have good spatial anticipation. They are able to anticipate the balls in the space. They are able to play onto the balls in those spaces, which is good. So they are a good side, and I think they can become better if they work harder, they stay focused, and they stay confident in their approach. If that is how they play, then they have to be very confident in their approach.
Last question.
Coach, with the absence of your captain, how do you describe the performance of the defenders, especially the 4 and 5 today?
I think they were fantastic today. I mean, they had the basic responsibility of preventing their attack, especially the Yusuf from playing, and that was exactly what they did. So kudos to them. I'm proud of them. I gave them the opportunity, and they were able to prove that they are capable.
Okay, two questions for Omar. Then
Isaac, congratulations. Would you 2 years heritage? Would you 2 years Master Asante Kotoko pressure on your swag?
all right. Coach, this question goes to you. I saw something on the field of play, your body language and your access to your players. I think my question is, how did it connect? Based on Okon's performance today, he was at laterals. Basically on the field of play, we know how players generate up front. It seems you brought the mentality of Okon on the field of play by those body language, especially when they get the ball. As you said, on the turf, you didn't connect well when you were playing the game. But I saw that on the field of play, you were connecting very well through body language. How does it work both off and on the pitch?
Yeah, I think as a coach, your players need to understand you not only by speaking or by talking. They also need to understand you by actions. Right? So we've trained on that. What I mean by we've trained on that is that we always are training. We use those gestures and they understand and they are able to use them in the game. So it's part of coaching.
Last question. Okay.
Isaac, congrats. Your friend was on your bed. One year old, now Asante Kotoko. You will have a target for the season.
Target. Well, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.